I can't remember if I did my intro.
Let's do it together. 3.
Good. Oh. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I've just been driving for 2 hours. My butt hurts. We're kicking off this weekend. It's actually Thursday, but I don't have work. I've driven down the coast to visit my best friend Liz. She's staying here with her family at the moment, and yeah, we're gonna go on a little adventure, go check out some rock pools and whatnot. It's actually a pretty decent day. It was, oh sick, look at this guy. I wonder if they just skydived? That's epic. I would never do that, but I mean, maybe one day, we'll see. Anyway, I should probably go get Liz. She's waiting for me. Finish my coffee, which is now cold. Love that for me. Look at my cute little, the car's driving past. Cute little dregs mug. What do they call it? Keep cup. The best. Also, I just want to say thank you to my 20 new subscribers. I honestly did not expect my last vlog to get that many views. Thank you if you watched it, and welcome if you're new here. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I got lots more content coming. Let's get this show on the road. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello.
You guys might recognize Liz from the last vlog.
Well, then no.
Doggies. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello. You're cute. Let's kick it. Don't you love when birds poo on your car? Just a little present. A little gift.
Oh, good song. Yes, we are.
Oh!
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I think we're all good.
Yeah, we're all good.
I think we're all
I
good.
don't know what you hit.
I hit a stick. I'm pretty sure I hit a stick. I can't believe we're only 4 minutes away.
Yeah.
So good.
Update, we are a little bit lost. Oh, look. Purlingbrook Falls Lookout.
Yes! Cool, okay.
This is cute.
Oh.
Watch out for the pothole.
Ah! This is a cute little song, hey?
Yeah.
What's it called? Yay!
Is this...
Found it! And there's park. I think park there.
Right there, go right there.
Woo! I'm picky with my women. Decided. I'm getting you into my life and who you are.
Oh,
No joke.
that's cute.
We're into health and fitness. We're into psychology. We're into mental health.
We're into
We're
being
into
freaking
wine.
what? Hey, good, how are you? It is. Oh. 8:46. We're starting our trek. Oh, we're very white.
Lighting.
It's gonna be good. We love being in nature. Hydrate. At least 2 liters a day, everybody. Hey?
I always have to have water before I leave.
Oh yeah. We are here on the beautiful Gold Coast tonight. Thumbnail.
Oh gosh, I got gum in my mouth. Hang on.
My hands, did you see the shake? Nearly rolled my ankle. I'm kind of hungry now.
We've got to be close. Ooh.
Guys, if you take one piece of advice, if you take away anything from this channel, I want it to be surround yourself with people who lift you up and don't bring you down. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and motivate you and just make you feel freaking awesome, and that you can just have great chats too while you're walking down a trail and you're just talking about your goals. Surround yourself with people who actually care about what you're doing.
This is so deep. You are who you surround yourself with. And that's very true.
It is. Now I'm trying to concentrate on not tripping over. That was beautiful. Liz almost lost her drone. So nice.
Sick. Stunning.
So nice. I'm really hungry now though. Guys, not gonna lie, I'm kind of dying. I don't do cardio.
Oh.
And my fuel's running out. But it's right, we're almost there apparently. But she said that a lot over this time, so my back hurts too. Just scoliosis things. Beautiful.
It's not too windy. I'm gonna give it a try, okay?
Okay. Question for you guys. So we just finished our walk. It was awesome. And Liz just fed me a slightly green banana.
It wasn't even green.
Oh, it was.
It wasn't fully ripe. It wasn't fully
So,
ripe.
partially ripe, I would say underripe banana. And I want to know,
Yeah,
which
good
do you
question.
guys prefer? Do you prefer ripe bananas? And I'm not talking like smushy, like still a bit firm, but like sweet, like, and they don't leave that taste in your mouth. Or do you prefer underripe bananas?
Not underripe, but like
It is underripe.
a
It was
little
un-
bit
it was
more underripe. Not that fully ripe. I'm thinking like the really tasty, almost squishy. I like the firmer, little bit underripe kind of banana.
The
What do you
ones
like?
that
Let
leave
us
the
know.
taste in your mouth that makes your mouth go like it's like furry. I would like to know. Leave a comment. Leave a comment and let us know.
Let us know.
Now we're going to apparently the greatest lookout ever, but we don't have any service, so we're just gonna have to fluke it, and hopefully we find it. And if not, hopefully we find some food.
Precisely.
Let's go. We found
made
it.
it.
I've chucked on a flannel because it's cold here. Fresh.
In the jungle.
I got one hand in my...
Yeah. It is. It's one of the kiss the girl.
Oh, dude, that looks epic. Update, guys. We're now very full. And on our way to the rock pools. Look, I didn't really record my meal because it wasn't that aesthetically pleasing.
It wasn't quite what we were expecting.
Yeah, look, I was a bit disappointed, especially for the price, but it's okay. You live and you learn. Sometimes things aren't as great as you want them to be. Still tasted decent. So, but Lizzie's looked so much better. So that's what you saw.
I'm gonna try and wipe off my bum.
Liz just had us freaking out because she thought she lost her GoPro and it was in the bag that I asked her if it was in, and she's like, no, it's not there. And then I look and it's the only thing in the bag. The only thing.
Oh my gosh.
Somebody needs her glasses.
Yes, I do.
Backseat abandoned today. Abandoned? Hey guys, happy Friday.
Hey guys, it's Nicole.
I didn't record last night because I just went home and slept. So,
As you should.
yeah, it was a big day, you know. Girls trip.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Let's welcome. We have I just hit my foot on the door.
Stress me.
We have arrived at our accommodation. We've got a nice full-length mirror to check the fit.
Show M's tan.
Oh yeah.
I mean, but
How did that even happen?
you probably don't like this.
I was probably just like,
We are going to. What's the plan of attack? Gonna
We
go to the
are going to
shops.
go to the shops and get some food,
Then we're gonna come back and drink.
and then watch the sunset and have some wine and cheese.
Sounds amazing.
Oh, can I go for a swim?
Yeah, no, it looks nice, eh? Moral of the story, guys.
Don't get burned.
Make sure you sunscreen your whole body. This is the level of relaxation that I want to reach.
Max, really.
Just like... Ooh. No, she just moved her hand.
Now from you. It's too hot, man.
Just ask for another wine glass.
Sit in.
This is it.
Oh, is that good?
Oh! Woo!
Freaking no.
I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna sing. More than a woman, do 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 do. More than a woman to me, do 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 do. More than a woman, I don't know the word. That was really good.
I am a chef.
Go for it.
Hey guys, welcome back to. Wait, what's your channel? Summer Diary or Summer what?
Oh, that's just my name.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Summer Watson. And then go to your face.
Hey guys.
Yeah, they've got so many options. Like rainbow all the way.
Whee! We're supposed to be picking up Emily and Josh, and we're at Josh's house, but they still were in bed. They were still in bed. And although it's partially my fault because Emily asked me if I could message her when we're on our way and I forgot. But like, you can't rely on other people.
Yeah, you know what?
And if you're supposed to be ready at 6, you should be ready at 6.
And
Even if we're running late.
if there's
well, I was like, because I hadn't heard from you. I was like, oh yeah, so he's probably like late. That's fine. Like that makes sense. And I was like, I'm definitely not waking Josh up because he's not.
If there's only 3 donuts left, you don't get one.
You're right.
through the
I've got that.
Welcome to the vlog.
Well, good morning.
Good morning. Apparently there was a tsunami last night.
Yeah,
There was
what?
a storm at like 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah, it woke me up.
Yeah, same.
Oh, I didn't hear it. I
Guys,
saw
everyone, this is Josh. Josh, say hi to the vlog.
G'day
We're
guys.
going up.
Spinach and cheese roll. Let's look at these.
Holy.
Caramel macadamia, caramel, custard, glazed, Oreo glazed, and jam. Delicious. This is harder than we thought.
Triple C thick girl.
Thick boys.
Oh my.
That's the best.
Yeah, and then all these parties were on sale.
His leg. Hey guys, it's almost 5 p.m. I got back from the beach a couple of hours ago. Just been hanging around home. There's a car about to drive past and they're definitely looking at me right now. They're driving really slow. He just gave me the whole like face. Sick. I'm stoked. I've had such a good weekend. I'm very grateful for the people I have in my life and it's just awesome that I get to spend all this time with them and just like go on adventures, and yeah, it's just really nice. Okay, but why does it look like I have boobs? Damn. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not mad about it. How nice. What a way to end the vlog. It's not even like anything crazy, but it's just nice. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day.